Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be doing a plan with me in my vertical creative journal from Monday the 30th of May until Friday the 5th of June. I can't believe it is June. And I'm going to be using the Flora sticker book from the Be Happy box that just come out because it's got a lot of like journaling prompts and stuff in there which I can use in my creative journal. So I am going to take these off, off the discs, move it out of the way. Sorry, move myself in a bit closer. Okay, so first of all, I like to put a long box down here because I do gratitude in that. And as I was flipping through, I did see a couple. And sorry if you can hear my boys, but they are a bit feisty today. They're in a big playful mood, so you might hear them playing in the background, but that's okay. And my boys, I mean by my puppies, Diesel and Milo, who are little mini foxes, and I can hear them running into the room now. So, yep, you may hear them. Oh, there you go, but that's okay. Okay, so this being my creative journal, what I normally do is I place stickers wherever. It doesn't really matter where they are. I place them all over because I write all over the page, so it really doesn't matter. If they get too loud, I will pause the video and try and get them out. Okay, because they do annoy me as well. So let's look through and see what we can find. All right, just a moment. Okay, so let's get on to the main part, and I usually don't matter how much I fill this up because I will pop in boxes and I will fill in the boxes, I will write around the boxes, I write everywhere, so it really doesn't matter. I will pick out a few stickers that I like. We might pop that one in and the purple because we've got purple on that page. I think I might pop that one down here. Ugh. So I will be posting up a flip through of my May spreads. So if you want to see how I do that, you can go and have a look. Okay, what else have we got in here? All these are pretty. I might grab one of those. Whoops. I learned to take things carefully out of the book. Alright, next, I might miss over those. I've got some really pretty stickers in this book. Really pretty. Oh, they're nice. But I don't need any lists in there. I could put Today I Am Feeling. Oh, I like these too. I'm going to pop that one. Right there. Create joy. And then I'm going to pop that one on it. Like so. And I always go into these with absolutely no plan. I just do what I feel like doing. Yeah, I just have a look. I pick the sticker book out, but I will just go through and pop down whatever stickers I like. There's sort of no real plan in my head except just use all the beautiful stickers. I like to have at least a box on each day. That way I can write down something that's happened on that day. So I like this create. I might pop that up there like that. And then pop. Sorry, I'm just thinking. Right there, like so. I'm liking that. And that is really not straight. Having a lot of trouble getting myself straight today. Getting my stickers straight, I should say. Hopefully these will pop up. Yeah. Finding that the new stickers aren't as sticky. Oops. I'll put it back over there anyway. Aren't as sticky and seem to peel up a lot better. A little bit more forgiving is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, a bit more forgiving in what you can throw at them. So I'm going to put some of those beautiful flowers down later. Let's have a look at this page. So I've got box. Wouldn't want a box for there. Let's see if we can get something a bit. Notice there's no real small boxes. They're all larger ones, but that's okay. That's all right. We can work with that. Let us. I'm going to use one of those, but I'll probably use that over here just to bring in. I've got the rounds or the ovals in that. Can't really find any smaller boxes. Alright, I'm going to have to use a bigger one. And I didn't want to bring in a different colour, but I think we will have to. So I've got purple, pink. Let's just bring in this green because I like that colour. And we'll pop that there. Like so. I probably should have put that one over these two. I wonder if I can pop it up. I might have to grab my undo. Right. Wait a minute and I will just grab my undo and I will be back. So this is undo and this is a Planner's Best Friend. I get mine here in Australia at Bunnings. I'm not quite sure where in the US you would get it or in any other country, but you just need a little tiny bit like that and then you can so easily just bring them up. It's the best thing. Yeah, whoever created it, hats off to them because it's just wonderful. Like I said, you only need a little bit. Make sure that it is saturates the sticker that you're using. You can use that little tool there like you saw me for getting the sticker up. You don't have to, you can use your tweezers or whatever else you want. I've been sometimes known to use, oh that looks better, sometimes known to use my palette knife that I've got with my Cricut. So, and scrape them up with that. But yeah, and you can see that beautiful, no destruction to the sticker, nothing like that. So just the best product. Okay, so, and I nearly need another bottle, so. All right, let's focus on this page a little bit more, shall we? Okay, let's pop this down here. I'm always so mindful about trying to keep my pages in view. I always think that I'm going to plan half a video and all of a sudden, you know, it's going to all be off to one side or something like that. No. Anyway, that's just my fear. It's my fear for the day. I'm going to pop that on there like so. I think that's a YouTuber's worst fear, is to have everything off frame or off camera. You spend hours doing the video and you come back and it's, oh no. What else? So I've got boxes on all of those days. I need another box there. Probably a box there as well. That box could be for that day or that day. Okay, let's see if we can bring in another box. Let's stick with the green and bring that in down here. Might bring that up a bit so it actually goes over the bottom of that. I love layering the stickers. Oh God, I can hear the doggy door. The boys are coming back. They've been outside exploring. Oh no, now they're up in the backyard and they're barking at the next door neighbour's dog. You can probably hear them all barking. Oh, joys of being a parent to dogs. But I wouldn't have it any other way, I love them. Okay, so maybe another box there, but there's always this. All too big. Alright, let's now start with adding some of these flowers in. I think might then alleviate the problem of trying to find small boxes for the days. I could pull out box sticker things that I have, but I don't know if they are going to match properly. You can hear them going off. So what do I want to use? Do I want to use these, or do I want to use the more... Actually, I think I want to use these. I think. All right. Let's go with the pink. And we might pop that one. Can we pop it in like that? There's nothing to say that it has to be straight, hey? I like. And then I'm going to take that one and do pretty much the same over in this space over here. Oh. Okay. Sticky. Move it down just a bit, like so. Oh, that's pretty. Very pretty. Okay, and then we can fill in some of these little spaces with some of these little ones. Now, let me try and find my tweezers, because I'm not going to be able to put them in if I don't have my tweezers. Just pop that there like so. There'll be something fit in there. Let's just put a bit of greenery in there. No, yeah. Oh. Have it coming out like that. Beautiful. Right, let's use a couple more of these little ones. This little purple one I like. That can go there. Just to fill in a few of the little gaps. Okay, so I'm liking that. That may be enough. Yeah, I'm kind of happy with that. I think we might stop there, because I could keep going all day and fill the whole thing up with stickers and then have no room to write anything. So, yeah, stop while I'm happy. I'll keep this book handy during the week, and I will go through and add more. If I haven't done a lot on Monday and I don't have a lot to write or whatever, I might stick another sticker in there or just do some little fill-in bits. So make sure that you check out, every month I will post a flip through of my planners. So the next one coming up will be May, which hopefully I will get done this week. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And thanks for hanging out with me. Catch us later. Bye for now.